Today, we would like to show you a short video about PriWatt Switchable film installation project in private residence. Our client used the PriWatt Smart Film for a home cinema rooms. We used in total about 600 square feet of PriWatt Smart Film. 200 square feet was used for the exterior window and sliding doors, and 400 square feet for 2 custom-made home cinemas. We will show you the whole process from the beginning to the completion of this unique project. And please, if you have any questions about the PriWatt switchable film, about the connections or anything else, write in the comments below and we'll be glad to give you feedback. First, you can see our technicians are cleaning the glass. We need to make sure the glass is perfectly clean. This is not a regular cleaning. This is a very detailed cleaning with the glass inspection. At this point, our technician is checking all the glass imperfections and making notes where he needs to be more careful during the film application. After glass surface preparation, Smart Film Roll is unrolled and visually inspected. Now you can see PriWatt film application onto the glass surface. It is extremely important to feel the surface and identify any bubbles. In case we find a bubble or lint inside, our team has a special technique to remove them. Upon completion of the film application, we use non-conductive silicone to protect all the edges from the moisture that could accidentally appear during cleaning or caused by any type of condensation. Another important aspect of the installation process is wiring. Wiring has 2 major parts: concealing wires and connecting wires to doors. We have many solutions for all types of sliding, swinging or tilting door systems. Mostly reel cables, coil wires, transfer hinges, armored cables or custom tracking systems. Our installation experts have a lot of experience and are able to deal with any type of the door system. Upon completion of the low voltage wiring, certified electrician will make a final connection to the main power supply. At this stage, our team will conduct final inspection of the film and make sure there are no imperfections. At this particular project, our client wanted to have a rear projection on the glass wall and use the PriWatt glass as a TV screen. Yes, our PriWatt PDLC technology supports rear projection, so clients can turn their glass walls into giant monitors. Client was extremely happy with the final result. It took 16 days to complete this beautiful project. 10 days for the PriWatt film manufacturing and 6 days for the installation. We hope you have enjoyed this case study and the video. If you have any questions, please let us know. We are always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe to learn more about PriWatt switchable glass technology and our beautiful and mind-blowing projects around the world.